Hey there, and welcome to SnakeByte, the channel where we automate the boring stuff using Python. Still writing Python like it's 2015? Here are 10 tricks that can you instantly make your code cleaner, faster and just smarter. Even experienced dev miss a few of these. Let's go! Here's a question. What do you do when your for loop finished but didn't find what you were looking for? Do you use flags like this? You don't need any of that. Just use the hidden Python trick. The else block only runs if loop didn't break. It's clean, no extra flags, and yes, it's real Python. Did you know this trick already? Or are you adding it to your toolbox? Quick question. How do you loop over a list with index? If you're still doing this, you're writing too much code. Use enumerate instead. It gives you both the index and the value, cleanly and safely. If you are still using range and len methods, this is your wake-up call. Second, two variables in Python should now take 3 lines. Still doing this? There is one liner, and it's Pythonic. No temp variable, no error, just one clean line. What's your favorite one-liner in Python? Let me know down below. How do you check if all fields in a form are filled? You might write something like this. But what if there are 10 fields? Here is a better way. All method returns true if everything is true. Any method does the opposite. True if at least one thing is. Which one method do you use more? Any or all? Have you ever needed a function to accept 5 arguments, 10, a known number? Here's the trick. Args packs all extra arguments into a tuple. Same thing with kwargs arguments using kwargs. You get a dictionary of named values. Drop like if you ever use args to save a function from breaking. Need to find common element between two lists? You could use loop and if checks, but why? Sets are your best friend. Use ampersand for intersection, pipe for union, and minus for difference. Sets, do you love them or still afraid to use them? Want to build a dictionary in one line? Instead of this, do this. One liner, easy to read, Pythonic. What's your favorite comprehension trick? Let's talk about the Walrus operator. Looks weird, right? But this little guy is powerful. Instead of writing this, you can write this. You can use a value in the same line. Cleaner, fewer lines, no duplication. Have you used the Walrus operator yet? Or still ignoring it? How do you group values by key in a dictionary? You could do this. Or you could just write this. Defaultdict auto creates the entry for you. Perfect for grouping, counting, or building indexes. Do you use defaultdict in your real codebase? Ever looked at a big codebase and had no idea what a function expects? No types, no docs, just swipes? Let's fix it. Add just 2 type hints and your editor suddenly gets 10 times smarter. Even better, tools like MyPy catch bugs before you run the code. This makes your Python code feel more like TypeScript or Rust, but without the pain. Do you write type hints or still skipping them? That's 10 Python tricks that can instantly upgrade your code. Which one was new for you? Which one are you stealing right now? Tell me in the comments, I read everyone. Subscribe for part 2, more clean Python, less boilerplate.